another Thoughts on Tech video.
This time comparing low-light video from the GoPro's Hero 7 and Hero 8 Black. Both cameras are recording in 4K, 30 frames per second. Hypersmooth is turned on both cameras. On the Hero 8 Black also Boost is activated. As you may notice, in low-light situations the level of stabilization of both cameras is not comparable to when enough light is available. The cameras reduce the stabilization in order to minimize blur that the lower shutter speed causes. This was introduced in one of the software updates for the Hero 6, and all other cameras after that also behave so. It is more noticeable in the Hero 8 though, where the images shake more, although Hypersmooth Boost is turned on. Here for example you see more vertical movement on the left side of the image. I would not say that any of this cameras gives you good results in low light, but that was also not expectable given the size of the sensors that are built in them. Watching the footage side by side, I am not really able to pick a clear winner that gets the best images in low light. I think the results from both cameras are similar and I would therefore not say that low-light video quality is a factor that you can take in account for choosing between the Hero 7 and Hero 8 Black.